how to adjust image duration in CapCut PC. And okay guys, here in your computer, okay, go to CapCut application. In CapCut homepage or dashboard, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to settings. In settings, on top menu, go to edit. Here in edit portion, you can see here the image duration. And the image duration is set into 5.0 seconds. So you can adjust this by clicking the arrow down or up. So for my example, I set the image duration into 5.2 seconds. And also you can change these seconds by clicking the arrow down on the right side of this S and set into frame. And you can adjust the frame by clicking the arrow down or up. And after that, after you adjust the image duration, click the save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjusted image duration in CapCut PC.